Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to easily convert any files into zip file without using third-party apps in your iPhone devices. So, without any further more delay, let's begin. So, as you can see, here is a files applications that you can see here, which is inbuilt in every iPhone devices. So what you need to do is you tap on this files applications, and here you can see a file. So I have a file here, so I want to convert this file, which is a PDF file. As you can see here, it's a PDF file. I want to convert it to zip file. So what you need to do is just tap and hold and just scroll down. As you can see here, written as compress, just click on it, and here you can see now this file has been converted to zip file. So in this way you can convert any file or any video, music, whatever, or any kind of documents into zip file using these tutorials. So in my opinion, it's a very cool tips to convert any files into zip file very easily using the inbuilt files app, which comes preloaded in every iPhone devices. So try these cool tutorials, and if you find any difficulty using these tutorials, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.